It's raining, but I don't need an umbrella. Standing in your rain is where I wanna be.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Belle. It's been a minute since I've posted. I actually feel like it's been so long since we've had a one-to-one conversation, so to speak, but I'm super excited to get into this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are not subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So I've actually had quite a few new makeup sitting around and I haven't actually tried it specifically on YouTube, but this is definitely one product that I was really excited about trying out. I'm sure you guys have seen probably a few videos because it went viral on TikTok. This is the new KVD, what is it, Good Apple foundation, and it's a foundation balm. I've never tried a foundation balm before. I usually stick to liquid foundations, but when I saw this I was actually pretty excited about trying it, and I've never tried a KVD foundation before, so let me open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, oh my gosh, I just want to apologize in advance because it seems like the sun wants to be a part of this video, so I'm so sorry if the light is affected throughout the video. We got some good sunlight in here, good for melanin, but not good for the video. Anyways, so this is the foundation that I got, and I picked it up in the shade number 70. This is what the shade number 70 looks like. So it looks like it's got a nice warm golden undertone, so I'm really hoping this will look good on me. I've also got some new eyeshadow palettes. These are actually like dupes to the ABH eyeshadow palettes. Let me show you what it looks like. It even comes with a brush just like the ABH one does. So this one here is a dupe to, I think it's the Mercier palette, and this is the other palette, which is a dupe to the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, if you can't already tell. Okay, so let's just get right into it. I'm going to start off with priming my face. Today I'm going to use my Milk Hydro Grip primer. I've actually been using this NYX Bear With Me one quite a lot since I first bought it. Just going to do 2 pumps. I actually don't know what this foundation is going to like apply like, so I really don't know what to expect, but balm, I'm assuming probably hydrating foundation, but we will get into it in a little bit. Okay, so just a few claims about the foundation. It says that the Good Apple foundation balm gives you fast, lightweight, full coverage with a fresh matte finish. Okay, so not dewy, fresh matte. I don't usually go for matte foundations, but I'm excited to see what this is going to look like based on the fact that it's a balmy texture. I've never actually used a balm foundation before. Those are pretty much like the main claims. It also says that it covers blemishes quickly, and it also mentions that it's a non-cakey finish and lasts all day. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so I do have a bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I want to see what the shade looks like first before I actually go in with any colour correction. The formula feels really nice as I'm swatching. So this is what the foundation looks like swatched, and I feel like the undertone is not the right one for me. It looks like it's a little bit more of like a terracotta peachy sort of undertone, and I usually go for more like golden yellow undertone. But with 74 I felt like the shade was just a little bit off, so I decided to go with 70 instead, because 70 was obviously a little bit deeper than 74. Okay, now the sun's gone down, you guys can actually see the true colour. I'm just going to test it out. Obviously it's not going to be enough to cover my hyperpigmentation because it's just going to leave a little bit of a grey cast. So as per usual, I'm just going to use my Nars Natural Radiant foundation in the shade New Caledonia. I think I chose the wrong day to film because this sun is really having a massive effect on this video. Okay, let's see what this foundation looks like. I don't want to put too much because it says it's full coverage. I've probably put too much already, but let's just see what it looks like when we blend it out, because it is a full coverage foundation. Once I blend it out, I will be able to see. It's got a nice coverage. Wowza, okay. They were not lying about this being a full coverage foundation. Wow, guys, that actually looks really nice. Okay, so this is it on one side. Oh, the sun. Sun, what are you doing to me today? What are you doing to me? You guys are probably not able to see properly because the sun is literally ruining me right now. I'm gonna try and see if I can like close my curtains to try and get rid of some of the sunlight. Okay, this looks a little bit better because I'm not looking as washed out as I was before, but this is what the foundation is looking like, and I think it looks really nice. It's so weird because it doesn't actually feel like I have anything on my skin, and comparing it to the side that I don't have any foundation on, I feel like the shade is pretty decent. Obviously I usually match my foundations to my chest, if you aren't aware already, because my face is actually darker than the rest of my body, so I usually match to like the bottom part of my neck slash chest. And I was a bit concerned that this foundation would not be a good match, but so far it's actually looking pretty good, so I'm happy with how that is. Let me apply it on the other side of my face and then see what we look like all together. Oh, the sun is gone now. Okay, I've just done a little something to the eyes, nothing too special. So for the rest of my face, I'm just going to stick to the products that I use on a regular basis, because then that will give me like a good judgment in terms of how I feel about this foundation. So starting off with my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. I'm also going to use a cream contour. I'm just going to use the Revolution foundation stick in the shade F15. Okay, so I've done half of my base, and so far I do like the way my skin is looking. In terms of the claim of the foundation being matte, I didn't quite see that. But obviously I have put on my concealer, and I have used this foundation stick, which is a little bit more on the dewy side, and I kind of like that because it does help to balance it out. But so far I'm liking the way my base is coming along. I'm going to continue and finish off my base. I'm just going to use my Nars concealer. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm going to apply this under my eyes for a little bit of a brighter highlighted look.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are back, and this is the finished look. Absolutely loving this soft glam look. I think soft glam was made for me. The colors might have to take a little bit of a seat for a minute. Anyways, in regards to the foundation, now I absolutely love the way my skin has come out today. I use the products that I use quite regularly, and I will list everything down in the description bar below. I love the way my skin is looking. I really like it. I was a little bit concerned. I didn't know how I would feel about it after I put the foundation on, especially because it is like a balmy foundation. I've never used that kind of foundation before. I'm not going to do a wear test in this video, but I will update you guys in the comments below. I will just pin it there, but at the moment I really like it. The shade number 70, I think that's going to work for me, so pretty happy about that. I don't know what this summer is going to be like, because I do tend to tan quite a bit in the summer. I guess it just depends on how much sun we have. But my thoughts on this foundation, I do like it. Do I recommend it? I wouldn't say it's a must. I think if you want to try something new, then by all means you can go ahead and do so. If you love a full coverage foundation, then I think that you will like this. Again, I have combination skin, so I don't know what it's going to wear like after a couple of hours. The time right now is 1:30, so I think I've got a good few hours to test out this foundation, see how well it lasts throughout the day. I did also set my face with a cooling water mist, but this also helps to fix makeup in, so I think it will help with the longevity of the makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. I know it's been a minute since we've done this type of review, but these are my favorite types of reviews because I love base makeup. So yeah, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have any of you actually tried this foundation out, and are you thinking about picking it up? Let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts, and of course I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.